Back again, and I'm going to explain how to do number 18, and then hopefully if I have time, I'll jump down to number 36 on 7.2. So again, you're going to distribute 5D, and you're going to focus on 5D, and you're going to distribute it to the -7, which is -35D. Then 5D times 3D. So 5D times 3D is going to be 15D squared because you're doing D times D. And then now you're going to move on to the 12, but the 12 has the minus sign. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. The 12 has a minus sign. So you're going to distribute that whole negative. So it's going to be -7, 12 times -7. So that becomes a positive 84. And then -12 times +3. So that's going to be minus. So that's going to be 36D. And then now back to black. I'm going to combine like terms, which is the 2 with the D, and I'm going to put it in standard form. So this would go first. Then these two combined would go next. That would be negative, let's see, 35, 35, 70. So it would be 71. And then plus 85. I mean 84, sorry, misspoke. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. So with the next one, I'm going to go ahead, I got some time. I'm going to do the distributive property, and I'm also, again, if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video, rewind it. Pretty sure you could slow down my voice too. I'm just on a time limit here. So I'm going to distribute the F. So F times F to the second. So this is where it gets tricky. F times F to the second, remember from the last chapter, that has a 1, that becomes F to the third. So you change the exponents when you're multiplying. So that becomes F to the third. Then that becomes 4F squared. And that becomes 8F. And then now you move on to the 1. 1 times F squared is 1F squared. That's going to be 4F. And then the last one's 8. And then you combine like terms. So that would be, let's see if this will work for me. Let's see here. So I have this F squared right here, and I have this other F squared. And then I have F's. So this positive F, 8F, and this positive 4F. Those are going to combine, and then I think that's it. So it's going to be F to the third. And then the 2F squared is going to be 5F to the second. Hold on, I'm going to move my coffee before my cats knock it over. 12F, and then plus 8, and then that's your answer. And let's see if I have time to do the area model. The area model, like I said, I like using the area model. Some people hate it. So if you want to use the area model, since this is this has 2 terms, this has 3 terms, you're going to make doesn't have to be perfect, 3 by 2, where since the first set right here is F plus 1, you would put the F plus 1 here, and then the other one has F squared, 4F, 8. So you don't have to do this. This is just a different way of doing it. I like doing it this way because everything stays organized, and if you mess up somewhere, it's easy to catch your mistakes. So this first rectangle right here is going to be F times F to the second, so it's F to the third. This rectangle over here next to it is 4F times F, so that's 4F squared. Ooh, I'm running out of time. I'm going to speed through this. And that's 8F. And that's going to be F. That's 4F. And that's 8. And when you combine like terms, oh, see, I already could tell I messed up. See this square? This is supposed to be a square. See, I caught my mistakes. And these two combined, you'll end up with the same answer. Email me, please email me, message me,